So fellas, if you see that there's an error directly with your computer, if there's an error that says unreadable, corrupted, whatever, and you're trying to solve this issue, let's try to repair this right away. So the first thing to do to solve this element is to open your command prompt as an administrator. So you can go into command prompt directly into the dashboard, and inside the command prompt, right click and look out for run as administrator. Directly inside here, you wanted to type sfc fast/scannow. Basically, this scans all the protected system files and automatically replaces any corrupted ones with a clean cached copies. And it will be showing you something like Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. This will be solving the actual issue. So, and if it didn't work, we can run a DISM if a scan can fix this. So if an SCVS reports issues it couldn't repair, we can run a online cleanup image restore HUD into the same command prompt window, and we can run the again afterward. But if the command prompt, let's say for example, typed something like CHKDSK like this, basically what we need to do is to type this and press enter. What's going to happen here is that you'll be asked to schedule this for the next restart since the actual driver is in use. So you confirm, then restart your PC and let it run completely. In my case, I'm going to go for N as a no, but in your case, go for Y as a yes. Now, something else is to try to restore the previous version. So if you right clicked for the specific corrective file that you were trying to open, which in my case is this one, I select the element that says properties, and then the previous version tab that usually appears directly inside here. Let's go once again for this previous versions. If available, of course, this can restore an earlier uncorrupted copy without affecting your actual other files that you can be showing directly inside here. If you don't see one, if a corrupting is affecting multiple files across your system, we can focus directly into your control panel and try to look out for the element that says system. And then you wanted to look out for the element that says security, that sometimes you should be appearing down below inside here. If you don't see that element, you can go into System and Security or Security and Maintenance, and directly inside here I will be looking for the system's protection that sometimes you should be appearing directly inside here, and go for recovery. And inside a recovery, you can roll the PC back before the corruption started. So if you're having problems with your PC, for example, now I'm going to close this, and if the element that we actually chose directly into our command prompt didn't work, usually points to a failing hard drive, backed out everything important immediately to start planning an actual replacement, which is going to be really important to take in mind to know when to replace the actual drive. So that will be actually it, guys. Your corrupted files and systems should be back to normal with this specific solutions. If it didn't work, you can let us know into the comments below to try to solve this issue. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know into the comments below the actual problem. And if you find another solution that we didn't talk about, you can let us know once again into the comments below.